Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today, instead of coding some data automation exercise, I'd like to show you one of my demos in Excel. And this is regarding solving the popular 8 queens puzzle computer programming exercise. So the idea is to place 8 queens on a chessboard in a way that no two queens share the same row, column or diagonal. And as it's written here, on a traditional 8x8 chessboard, there are exactly 92 solutions. So if you're interested, you can check this link in Wikipedia. I'm not gonna go into the technical implementation of my solution. I'll just say that it uses the traditional backtracking algorithm. Actually, if you check my website, which is lazydatadev.com, and if you head over to projects, and you find a link here to my solution, and actually there is even a link to my GitHub profile where you'll be able to test what I'm about to show you now. So let's head over to Excel, and here I'm gonna make a double click anywhere on the first row, which will trigger a user form, and now I can click here where it says generate all solutions, and under the hood a VBA code will be run, and it says that 92 solutions have been found. And now when I click OK, this button show random solution should become active. So let's see, I'm gonna click OK, and now when I click this show random solution, Excel should draw a chessboard and it should place 8 queens in a way that no two queens share the same row, column or diagonal. So let's try it. And immediately we can see that we have used the Excel rows and columns to draw a chessboard, and the queens are represented by shapes. And anytime I click the show random solution, a new solution will be shown on the screen. So yeah, that's going to be it for today. Again, if you check my website, there's more explanation on how the whole process works. And in fact, I was even able to test the solution with 12 queens. And yeah, this required a lot more time for Excel to calculate all, I believe, 14,200 solutions, but in the end it worked perfectly. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.